power, performance, capability, and capacity allow you to take this on and off-road as you take on new adventures. Take a look at this 2020 Jeep Wrangler Sport in black clear coat. With halogen headlamps, front fog lamps, 17-inch aluminum, 17-inch off-road wheels, black 3-piece hardtop, front bucket seating, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 17,000 miles on the odometer, 7-inch touchscreen, command track part-time 4-wheel drive system, rear 60/40 folding seats, 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number P7640.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.